Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, whether or not you want to believe it, but you know the day has arrived. Yes, the day that we have been all dreading at the Jamaica Young Police channel for the Jamaican politicians, and it's all here now. Yes, and the reason is we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we don't know if it is incompetence, nonchalant, or they just don't care. But we can tell you is that the dismantling of a special branch by the PMP criminal organization when they were in the government is a big disservice to the political class, especially the ones on the other side and the JLP. Because you know the PMP is a criminal organization. They do not believe in the rule of law. They believe in everything is just terrorism to terrorize people and get what they want. So right now, if you're looking at your LCD, and we've been saying this for pretty much a long time that one day this is coming. But if you look right now on your LCD, you see to your left, upper left, you see the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, and below him you see a man by the name of, his name is Guy Philippe. Yeah, that man is a terrorist from Haiti. Yes, man. And he is the Prime Minister assassin. Yes, this man is the Prime Minister Andrew Holness assassin. And he has been in Warwick Hills, East Kingston for over 3 weeks. And now he's been housed by men there whose connection are in South Clarendon. And their connection goes with a man called Kevin Tiliba Roberts. Yes, this man is a known violence producer, known drug dealer too. Yes, cocaine dealer. Even the plane that crashed down there the time in Rocky Point, it was his plane. The men that were on the plane were escorted out by some corrupt police officers in Clarendon. And he controls the entire Clarendon Police Division. That's what the residents of South Clarendon, the information that we had received. Yes, from the soup down to the district council, they are leaving the groundsman. So everything you have to do is just follow the money. So the day has come now in which it's not only shocking, but we never envision that it will reach this point in our lifetime where they're planning to kill the head of the Jamaican government, the Prime Minister. And it's all in motion right now. And his friends on the other side, they knew about it. Three of them. Peter Bunting is one of them, allegedly. Mark Golding and Dayton Campbell. They all knew about this man that is in Warwick Hill. I don't know. Based on information received, Philip Paul will know, but as usual, you don't know the PMP is a criminal organization, so you must keep him out shut because it's his constituency. So, in this eye-opening expose, we delve into the shocking activities surrounding Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his alleged connection to a hidden hideout in Warwick Hill, East Kingston. It is claimed that the Prime Minister's mysterious assassin has found refuge in this secluded area for an astonishing 3 weeks now. Reports suggest that this fugitive is being sheltered by individuals associated with the notorious alleged coke dealer, Robert Tiliba. Yes, Mr. Tiliba. Yes, his first name is Mr. Kevin Robert Tiliba. Yes, Kevin Roberts Tiliba. That's his correct name. Yeah, and he's the man that the boats, yes, the boat came in from Haiti with the M16 rifles, armored piercing ammunition, and even body armor. I don't understand how we haven't seen anything in the Jamaica media about this boat, this mysterious boat that washed up, that was recovered by the police in Jamaica. What the Prime Minister do not understand that he has two officers who are at Marine. You have to understand, politics is everything, and these police officers, they don't care about you. Yeah, they care about their party. They are PMP activists in uniform. And I don't have to call the police them name. It's just simple. These are two police officers who are in charge of Marine, and they are PMP activists. They are not police officers. They are PMP activists in uniform. So you have to understand what is happening. Your life and your family life is in danger. Even the people at the parliament. Because it's supposed to be a bloodbath at the parliament. But you are the main target and members of your party. Yes. Because this is the plan. The elaborate plan. You understand that is going on. So it's just a matter of time when they're going to strike. Because this man is a notorious terrorist, Guy Philippe. So it is claimed that the Prime Minister, mysterious assassin, this man is in Warwick Hills. Guy Philippe and others. So, Kevin Tiliba Roberts, who holds strong ties in South Clarendon, the alleged close friendship between Senator Peter Bunting and Roberts is even more intriguing, raising question about political involvement. So as we uncover the startling details behind this secret hideout and the potential conspiracies lurking within its walls, what is the real agenda behind the Prime Minister's association with these individuals? How are their activities impacting the nation? As we present compelling evidence, testimonies, and expert analysis to illuminate this disturbing situation, the truth awaits to be unveiled. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon, and select all to receive notifications. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and informative. Despite some misinformation, it is important to clarify that there is no like button on YouTube. So please use the thumbs up button and show your support on the other hand. If you choose to hit the thumbs down button, we kindly request that you will reconsider and help us to with your concern better. But we know that our criminal supporter will do such thing, because we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we hate criminals with a passion and liars. Yeah, we don't like them, because liars are criminals, There's no honest criminal. And we say that all the time. Show me an honest criminal. So you can join the Patreon squad. Yes, by joining the Patreon squad, you will all gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions to unlock this untapped collection of videos. Click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allow you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel functionalities. Thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to provide you with exceptional content. So there was a shooting close by Jamaica House. Yes, man. There was a shooting close by Jamaica House in which it was just a test run to see how the police will respond. You understand? So we're gonna give you some information about that. So them said that the police secure CCTV footage in the shooting of men outside Jamaica House. And this was published on January 10th, 2024. So the police say that they are rigorously pursuing all leads into the shooting of two men in a suspected robbery in the vicinity of Jamaica House and Hope Road, St. Andrew. That are the Prime Minister residence. Hey, look. The men who did this shooting, they are from East, they are from Warwick Hill. And if you look on the upper left, that's the man, the Asian terrorist who is supposed to commit this assassination of killing the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Yes, so the Guy Philippi, the Asian terrorist, is in Jamaica courtesy of this man, and his job is to kill the Prime Minister Andrew Holness. So the man who is there is that's the man below Guy Philippi. He's a violence producer. His name is Kevin Tiliba Roberts, and he has all the information, all the connection, who is involved in this conspiracy to kill the Prime Minister and other members of the Jamaica Labour Party in Parliament, or wherever, if they have changed their plans. The boat first dock in Rockfort. They let have 30 rifles there, armored piercing rounds, and then they went to Rocky Point. But we give you more context about that, because we have been waiting to see it in the media, but we haven't seen it, and we are like, what is going on in Jamaica? So it seems like this it seems like everything that is happening, that they're really planning, that even the media, because we know the media in Jamaica, we know that most of the media houses are criminal supporters, you understand, and enablers, and they have, you understand, so we know that they would be in beds with these assassins too, to kill the Prime Minister, and they're not educating the Jamaican people, and the men are in Warwick Hill. This Guy Philippi speaks 3 languages, speak English, French, and Spanish, and he's there. So he doesn't need a translator to talk, to communicate. And he's a marksman with weapons. So the police say investigators have secured the CCTV footage that may have been pivotal to the probe. So the victims were taken to hospital for treatment. One of the injured men is said to be a son of a prominent businessman. I don't know how them like. We soon tell you the name of the businessman, but this have nothing to do. We just show you it as a test run. You understand? So it is reported at about 3:01 a.m. the men stopped to fix a flat tire. Gunman pounded upon them on a bike. They proceeded to rob them and then opened fire, hitting the men. The police say cops on duty at the security post at Jamaica House heard the explosion and went to investigate. There were reportedly an exchange of fire with the robbers who fled the scene. The injured men were subsequently assisted with medical treatment to the hospital. And I man father come and take him from there, and I police. But this is it now. What the Prime Minister have to make sure that the people that work at Jamaica House, they have to be sharpshooters, marksmen. You can't just have no regular police working there. You have to have police who are sharpshooters or marksmen. You understand? I have a squad who is a marksman. Yeah, when we say marksman, 1 shot, 1 kill. And his name is A.K. Rustler, Inspector of Police. Him no player. You want, Mr. Prime Minister, you want somebody who is at Jamaica House who will protect you, who will protect the property. You want somebody who 1 shot, 1 kill. Because the police officers that work in here, these are lame police officers, because they shoot at these men and they got away. Or is it a conspiracy? Because we know that most of the police, they are criminal minded, And we say criminal minded, they are mostly PMP criminal organization supporters in the police force. We are telling that most of them don't see themselves as police, them see themselves as PMP police. And the PMP is a criminal organization. So both police and the Indicom Commission investigations are probing the shooting. So, a terrifying conspiracy uncovered the shocking robbery at Jamaica House. So I'll tell you what happened. So outside the home of the Jamaican Prime Minister Andrew Holness, a sinister plot unfolds, threatening to plunge the island into chaos. Yeah, so what is happening it is about to threaten the Jamaican island into chaos. In December 2023, a boat arrived in Jamaica, secretly docking at Port Royal. 30 M16 rifle with armored piercer rounds and ballistic vests were unloaded on board to men from Warwick Hill. The police them from Port Royal, them now on a road back on them thing. Now what them supposed to do, You see, especially at night, especially them supposed to have road back out of that out by close to the airport all the time and every day, because that's all them are bringing evening cocaine. Yes, people from Bahamas and all these places. Yes, the connection right there. So them need to have some road back there and them thing. But we know that because lack of manpower, all heap of things that just fall through the cracks. So in December 20, as we tell you about the boat that arrived and them is unload the M16 them out by Port Royal. So this operation was under the control of Guy Philippi from Haiti, an expert in maritime affairs, and Jamaican top drug dealer Kevin Tiliba Roberts, who is affiliated to the notorious PMP criminal organization. You know, say, yeah, so Tiliba, that man, you look right there, he's a very good friend of DCP Fitzbailey. You understand? In an alleged, Fitzbailey is not an honest police officer. You know, anything where spin and tell lie, that's Fitzbailey. I don't know how him do it and claim that he's a pastor and the man have no conscience or soul, man. How you do it? Why I could not do it and anything there? So this big time alleged court dealer, when I say no alleged, Tiliba boasted publicly that he's a friend of DCP Fitzbailey. He said that even the night when he had the dance in Clarendon last year, and the men. So you see, the night when the men them came in with the rifles in the dance, that was a part of the cachet that they were displaying. So the M16 were a brand new M16 them outer box that them came in the dance with, showing off. Tiliba is the boss. You understand? So little did they know that their target was none other than the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, whose residency at Jamaica House, the symbol of political power in the country. So when a guy can go right there, so and fire shot and get away, say I test the waters, and I say, well, we can see the little crack in it. Just watch. Remember, Asian Prime Minister, Asian President, So Andrew Holness, everything now is focused on you, because you're the most hated man by these people. You understand? And them cannot, but you are the most, apart from Michael Manley, you are the most charismatic leader Jamaica I've seen since Michael Manley. So that's why we at the Jamaica Young Police and they say Michael Manley 2.0. So they don't say any way for beat it, but them say a way for send it to the departure lounge. So they don't think of their actions after, because they're looking at eventide, they kill 144 people and got away with it. Not a single person went to prison. All the persons involved who are not dead, still alive and enjoying freedom. 144 people. Just remember that. So a terrifying conspiracy was about to be uncovered, and the consequences would be catastrophic. The stage was set. The stage is set for a bloodbath, unimaginable destruction moving over Jamaica, whether its people believe it or not. As news of the planned attack reached the authorities, swift actions must be taken. So now that you know, so this man, he's in Warwick Hill. I don't know how comes the intelligence agency in Jamaica don't have this information, but if Special Branch was still operating, the Prime Minister would get this information first on, because that is what Special Branch did when they were functioning in Jamaica. You understand? But the PMP criminal organization, they dismantled it because Special Branch is the one. Remember, when Bruce Golding was Prime Minister, Special Branch is the one that gave the information to them about the Trafficker check. And that's the reason why Ellington. So that's why we're telling you, Owen Ellington, Owen Ellington is a corrupt police, was a corrupt police, He's the one that told the PMP, that it was Special Branch that gave the Bruce Golding that information. And he was instrumental in dismantling it. So you have some people when they come on to power, them not hearing it, them dismantling, just to maintain power. You understand? So there's no honest criminal or people who are sympathetic to criminals or people who are criminal minded. And that's what happened. So if the Prime Minister had Special Branch, he would have known for the past 3 weeks that that this man along with others from Haiti, they are in Warwick Hill. All that miss them. You understand? Them supposed to call off Warwick Island and flush out these men, send them straight to the departure lounge. Because they're there. Them even have rocket launcher up there too. Yes. So when I get a taste, I don't own medicine now, because you are the people who get the Jamaican criminals them all of this leeway and oppress the police. And I can tell you, some police, I know that, some police, whenever the atta get atta, them are going to run. And I don't blame them. Why would you want to give your life for a country, for a group of people who would vilify you and treat you with disdain and disrespect? I wouldn't do it. I would not give at one point in my life, when I was service, I would do it. But I would not encourage any young person to give their life for Jamaica. For what? For what? For them to continue their criminality when they are the real criminals and they eat all the police officers? No, I wouldn't. I am every day I thank God that nothing happened to me when I was serving there, in terms of I've been shot or anything like that. And thank God that I left with my life, because it's a system that I am very, very happy that I did not lose my life. It would be a disgrace, dishonor for my coffin to be draped with a Jamaican flag. Crazy, corruption, that, man. Yeah, man. Not until we start to see some turning around and we start getting back our country. So, based on what is happening, I don't know if these young police officers, if they are overzealous and they're going to stand up and fight. You understand? But I know that when the battle gets hotter, and them say, I see sweeter the victory. I am happy I'm not there, so this is not my fight. It's you people fight. So, we'll continue the journey. So the government must get the emergency service and police unit mobilized to protect Jamaica House and prevent this imminent catastrophe. But not only that, they're going to hit the Jamaican Parliament. That's where the bloodbath is supposed to take place, in Parliament, the Jamaican Parliament, where they can execute, and they have the photograph of who they're supposed to execute. And then after that, now you'll realize, the Jamaican people will realize who were involved in this assassination of politicians. Because the PNP have been committing crimes for decades, and getting away with it. So they're taking it up to another level. So you're looking at the main contributor, the main man. Yeah, this man is one of South Florida clarion producers, an alleged court dealer who have 2 license guns. And law-abiding citizens can't get a license gun in Jamaica. So a fella is a criminal organization too. And that's the man right there. His name is Kevin Roberts, a.k.a. Tilibov. Give me a bit. This man have never done an honest job in his entire life. And he have a license firearm, and he have illegal guns. He have a militia. Our man have a militia, have men with illegal guns in our community. We kill people, and him have license gun. All that. We don't live in Afghanistan, work like that either, because them places are just them places. Them law just tribe thing and all of them thing and culture we pass down from generation to generation. But always this man, who's a violence producer in Jamaica, have 2 license firearms. And him is a violence producer of people who kill people and everything. This man shouldn't have no gun. And now see him bringing men from Haiti. He's the one with the boats that came from Haiti with the guns, the brand new M16s. He's the one who's with the plane that crashed in Rocky Point. And we know a whole heap of politicians involved in a drugs business in Jamaica. We don't tell you some of them already and them thing there. And we don't want to ball say no guy, whether PMP or Labour. We just here telling you the real mama papa truth. So whether you like it or not, I just saw it go. And when I take up with nobody, because we don't have no soup in the pot. You understand? We just there and watch the pot boil, and I tell you, say, boy, hey, you have to be careful when you take out the soup. I might it burn you. You understand? So we continue the journey. So the conspirators underestimate the resolve and determination of the Jamaican people and their unwavering commitment to peace and stability. So them feel like they know. Look, the people them. You remember one time in Jamaica, country people used to be law-abiding citizens. Or something happened, them tell the police. Not anymore. Money run things, Alright, let me show you how Jamaica. That's why I tell you, say, Them know, you know, the foreigner, them know, say Jamaica, the people, them have no morals, ethics. Jamaica only Caribbean island right now where you can have an invading army, yes, take up shelter in any community. Just give them some money, take up shelter in our community for invade the country. Because the people them have people them lack patriotism. You know what them love? Money. So you just give them money. So the same way that the Mexicans who crashed the plane down in a Rocky Pine were taken out, you know, by police, you know. Police PIU or DIU, what you want to call it, a Clarendon, you know, and took these men, you know, down to St. Elizabeth, you know, and them take them out of the country, you know. A police did that, you know. So even the police in Jamaica, you can't trust, you know. So you know, so Jamaica in a serious problem. We're going to have some serious problem there, you know. When police is willing to sell him soul for money and not patriotism, you're in a problem. So everything now, police don't take no oath now to the constitution of Jamaica and Jamaica. Them take oath for themselves and for use it and make money. And when somebody stay like that, you know them have no core beliefs. And Taliban know them. He's the man that, you know, that plane that crashed down there. And he's the man with the boat now. One man. You understand? So you see, all them now, if you have special branch, and special branch should have all of them information, have all of them recording call, and I don't know how it working now, but I know that everything that the English had left us, the British, the black man them dismantle it, because the black man have a criminal mind, especially from the PMP criminal organization, and then this administration lacking any kind of street sense. They're not street smart, because if you're street smart, you'd have realized that you would have realized that the PMP is a criminal organization. Every entity that dismantling a police force, you're supposed to revive it, because you know the only reason why them dismantle it is because them cannot infiltrate it. Them cannot infiltrate and tell them people they what to do, and you are right a lot because you're a criminal, so you don't want a better for your country either. So you're supposed to revitalize, but bring back special branch on board. There are people who used to work in a special branch still in Jamaica. You saw many things we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel reveal about them because a special branch. You understand? And we have a lot more to tell you, so. Your life is on the line, you know, Mr. Prime Minister, and members of your political party. So whether or not you want to believe it, just watch. So, and the police, they want to have a guard, you know, want to make sure them supposed to train, you know, well trained, you know. You understand? And I'm telling you, there's a police officer who I train with, and I know him. When I said know him, my name used to work at Clarendon as young police. Them man they should have been at least soup. And them police are not corrupt police, are thief. You understand? A police named A.K. Russell. You understand? One shot, one kill. Them police you want around you. You want police around you that will protect you. And you get into lax with the security. You understand? So them think that Jamaica, you know, they think Jamaica is weaker and not secure than ever as it emerged from the shadow of this terrifying conspiracy. So them see one now and them say Jamaica weaker and it have that a strong security. All because of the same Jamaicans them and them corrupt deeds, the drugs gun trade. You understand? Them carry the ganja and get gun, bring back for kill. How would them all kill same black people? So you saw them eat each other. And then now you have the politician talking about human rights. Why man would go to sea and come back with gun? That is madness. So we urge you to stay vigilant for threats that can arise from the most unexpected places. So thanks for watching this shocking revelation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening stories. So the robbery outside Jamaica House, you know, the home of the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the official resident, is a test case scenario. What's to come and will be a bloodbath in Jamaica, whether they want to believe it or not. So that is what is going to happen. So the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, your assassin, has been in Warwick Hill, East Kingston for about 3 weeks now, and he's been housed by men there whose connection are in South Clarendon with the famous coke dealer Robert Taliba Roberts. Yes, Kevin Taliba Roberts, who is a very close friend of Senator Peter Bunting. So whether or not you want to like it, you know. So would I like to know how is this man? Yeah, that man at that man and so you see only in Jamaica, you know. You see when people are coke dealer and drugs dealer, them have all of the access to all of the big people. Them this man, you know, a tool. Him have more than 5 license on him. I'm a drug dealer, you know, and violence producer, you know. But police have problem for even get gun on them thing in a Jamaica. There are 2 policemen in prison right now because they were using illegal gun to protect themselves. That is just madness. Jamaica is violent now more than ever, so there's no need for any police officer supposed to be a fight. You're active police, you have to use illegal gun to protect yourself. That's madness. In my time it was dangerous and now it's worse. So those who have eyes to see, let them see, and let's see how this is going to play out, because then, you know, the night is drawing near and the Prime Minister life is in serious danger. Trust me. You understand? We're going to give you a follow-up about this story when it come about the boat and the gun them and all these things landing a Rocky Point and 1 and 2 little things. We have this information from last year, December, about the boat. You understand? But it's just recently that we discover about the plot to kill the Prime Minister and other members of the Jamaica Labour Party within Parliament itself. You understand? But I've been saying it, you know, from a long time, you know, that these guys, they're gonna come one day down there, but I didn't know it would happen so quick. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.